Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel techdev98. So today in this video, I'll show you how you can copy text from images through a really cool Chrome extension which is known as Project Naptha. The link will be in the description below, but before we begin, please like, share and subscribe to my channel techdev98. So moving on, here is a meme that was shared by netflix.in, and as you can see I cannot simply copy paste the text from the image. So through this Chrome extension, what I'll do is I'll just click on copy text and I can just simply paste it, and as you can see it's pasted really well without any errors, and it works for mostly all images. And so it's highly recommend to try it once. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel techdev98. Thank you.